Let's walk through the process of setting up a tutor account with GoBoard. You'll want to use either Google Chrome or Firefox for your browser. Navigate to your school's GoBoard site and click the Create a New GoBoard button on the top of the screen. Now click the I'm a Tutor button. Type your school's name into the search box and hit Enter. Now click the Create a TMS Account button. Your first time to the site, you'll need to click the Sign Up for a New Account link at the bottom of the screen. Enter your information, remembering to use your school email address, then click Sign Up. Now that you're all registered, you're being prompted to start your first GoBoard session. First, you need to click to enable your camera and microphone button. For step 2, you want to click either Invite someone to join you or Enter Now. If I select Invite someone to join me, I can share the link, invite by email, or invite by a Facebook message. When I Enter Now, I enter the GoBoard and it's ready to be used. If you want to know more about how to use your GoBoard, watch my GoBoard Basic Tools video.